Welcome, everyone, to Smart English Official, the place where your English journey becomes simple and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
And I'm James. It's wonderful to be here with you all again. Ready for some practical English?
Absolutely, James. And I know our listeners are too. So, how has your week been?
It's been great, thank you. Started today with a strong cup of tea, actually. Needed that energy.
Tea is a great choice, too. I'm feeling fantastic and really eager to dive into today's topic.
So am I. What are we focusing on today?
Today, we're going to practice everyday English conversations, real-life situations you might face any day.
That's perfect. So useful. Moving beyond the textbook.
Exactly. We'll go through some simple, friendly dialogues you can use right away. But before we begin, a quick and important reminder for our amazing audience.
That's right. If you're finding value in our lessons, please show your support. Hitting that like button helps us reach more learners like you.
And make sure you're subscribed to Smart English Official so you never miss a new lesson. Sharing is caring too. Pass this on to a friend learning English.
We truly appreciate your support. It means the world to us. Okay, Lima, daily chats. Where shall we kick things off?
Let's start with a classic morning ritual, the cafe.
My favorite kind of ritual. Yes, let's do it. I'll be the barista this time.
Perfect. I'll be the customer. Scene start.
Good morning. What can I get started for you?
Hi. Could I get a latte, please?
Sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced?
I'll have it iced, please. It's quite warm already.
Good call. What size for you? We have tall, grande, and venti.
A grande, please.
Okay. A grande iced latte. Any milk preference? We have whole, skim, or oat milk.
Oat milk would be lovely, thank you.
Excellent. Will there be anything else? A pastry, perhaps?
Do you have any croissants?
We do. Plain, chocolate, or almond?
A plain croissant, please?
All right. So that's one grande iced latte with goat milk and one plain croissant.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total comes to $7.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here is your croissant. Your latte will be ready at the end of the counter. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you so much. You too. Scene end.
See? A complete, natural interaction.
And the phrases were all straightforward. Could I get? What size? I'll have. Do you have? And of course, thank you.
Politeness always makes the conversation smoother. Okay, cafe is done. What's another common scenario?
How about a quick trip to a convenience store or a small shop?
Oh, yes. I need to buy a notebook. Your turn to be the shopkeeper.
Got it. I'm at the counter.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Hello? Yes, I'm looking for some notebooks or notepads.
Of course. They're on aisle 3 against the back wall. We have a few different types.
Thank you. A moment later, I found these. This one is perfect.
Ah, the hardcover one. A great choice.
How much is this, please?
That one is $4.99.
Okay, I'll take it.
Wonderful. Cash or card today?
Card, please.
All set. Here's your notebook and your receipt. Thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Short, sweet, and effective. I'm looking for... How much is this? I'll take it.
Perfect for quick errands. Now let's try something that can make people nervous. Asking for help when you're unsure of your surroundings.
Asking for directions. It feels intimidating, but it doesn't have to be.
The magic word is always, excuse me.
Exactly. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library? Or, excuse me, I think I'm a bit lost. Is the post office near here?
And the answers often use simple direction words. Let's simulate it. You're a helpful local. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me? I'm trying to find the city museum.
Oh yes, of course, it's not far. Go straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
Straight down here.
Right. Then, when you see the big red fountain, turn right.
Turn right at the fountain.
Yes. The museum will be on your left-hand side. You can't miss it.
Straight, then right at the fountain, and it's on the left. That's very clear. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice visit. Go straight, turn right left, on your left right. Essential vocabulary. Most people are happy to help if you ask politely.
Now let's move to a social setting. Making small talk with someone you've just been introduced to.
At a community event or a friend's gathering, the goal is just to be friendly.
Exactly. I'll start. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Lima.
Hi Lima, I'm James. It's good to meet you. This is a nice event, isn't it?
It really is. The food looks great. So, James, are you from around here?
I am, yes. I've lived here for a few years. How about you?
I'm fairly new, actually. Just moved here a couple of months ago for work.
Oh, welcome. What line of work are you in, if you don't mind me asking?
I work in graphic design. And yourself?
I'm a software developer. So what do you think of the city so far?
I'm loving it. Everyone has been so friendly. I'm still exploring all the parks.
The parks are the best. If you like parks, you should definitely check out Riverside Park on the weekend.
Thanks for the tip. I'll put it on my list.
Well, it was really nice chatting with you, Lima.
You too, James. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
See, that flowed naturally. Key questions. Are you from around here? What do you do? What do you think of?
And a great way to extend the chat is to ask about or suggest hobbies or places. What do you like to do in your free time? You should check out.
Which leads perfectly into our next practice, making casual plans. Let's pretend our characters from the party want to follow up.
Scene start. Phone rings. Hello?
Hi, Lima. It's James. We met at the community event last night.
Oh, hi, James. Of course. How are you? I'm good, thanks. I was just thinking about our chat about parks. I'm going to Riverside Park this Saturday for a walk. Would you like to join me?
This Saturday? Let me check. Yes, that works for me. I'd love to.
Brilliant. How does 10:30 in the morning sound?
10:30 is perfect. Where shall we meet?
There's a main entrance with a big stone archway. Is that easy for you to find?
Yes. I know the one. I'll see you there at 10:30 on Saturday.
Great. Looking forward to it. See you then, Lima. See you, James. Bye.
Scene end.
That's how plans are made. Would you like to join me? How does time sound? Where shall we meet?
And if you're busy, it's perfectly okay to say, I'm sorry, I can't make it this Saturday. What about Sunday? Or, I have plans then, but maybe another time.
Which brings us to the universal icebreaker, the weather.
The classic. It's the easiest way to start a conversation with anyone, a neighbor, a colleague at the coffee machine.
Just an observation. It's a gorgeous day out, isn't it? Or, looks like the rain is finally holding off.
And the responses are simple. It really is. I hope it lasts. Or, I know I was getting tired of all that gray sky.
It's not deep, but it's friendly and builds a connection.
Now we've covered starting conversations, but how do you end them gracefully?
Very important. You don't just vanish. You signal you need to leave. Well, I should probably get going. I need to catch my bus.
Then a positive closing line. It was really nice talking to you. I enjoyed our conversation. Let's catch up again soon.
And finish with the farewell. Take care. Have a great day. See you around.
It leaves a good impression. Well, Lima, speaking of endings, I think our time is just about up for today.
It is, James. This was such a useful session.
I think so too. I hope our listeners are feeling more confident to start, continue, and politely end everyday conversations in English.
Remember, the goal is connection, not perfection. Everyone appreciates the effort.
That's all for this episode of Smart English Official.
Thank you for joining us and for being part of our learning community. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this helpful.
And we'd love to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, what is one everyday situation where you feel confident using English now? Is it ordering food, asking for directions, or something else?
Your stories inspire us and each other. We read every single one. All right, I must be off. Have a wonderful week, Lima. You too, James. And to all our listeners, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.